Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Phatkat Collections. And today, I'd like to just do a quick unboxing. Now, each one of these are going to be reviewed in depth, and I'm just going to crack this bad boy open. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that one, I always repeat that, I always say that, but two, I love Invicta watches. So I've been working with a couple different suppliers. Hopefully gonna start selling pretty soon, maybe, you never know. But this is from a guy who is generous enough to sponsor me. His eBay store is Bulldog Enterprise. He's been selling Invictas for a heck of a long time. Reliable, reputable, some of the great prices, some of the great products on there. So he sent me, I think there's 20 watches in here. So these are gonna be reviewed from now all the way through to Christmas. That's gonna get us almost to Christmas if I can get, I wanna upload one per day. And I've been uploading roughly around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm trying to do the premiere video, so it gives you guys kind of a little bit of a notice that there's a video about the premiere. So 20 days of Christmas, here we go. Alright, so let's crack this open. Now you guys know I don't do unboxings very often, and I'm sure this is going to be just a mess as far as all the packaging and all the paper, of course. But we're just going to dig right in, see what we got here. I tell you, this is like Christmas time, guys. I mean, 20 Invictas? Come on. Oh yeah, this baby's loaded. Oh, dude. Oh, how exciting. Oh man, right off the bat. Sorry guys, this one, I've been wanting to get my hands on this. Oh man, this is just torture. I'm not gonna unwrap these. I'll come back because it's gonna take me a long time to unwrap these, and I frankly don't have the time today. This is I believe the Captain America Grand Arsenal. I'm not really into the superhero stuff, but the color combination, it doesn't get any more patriotic than this watch, guys. Oh man, so I'm gonna go through this kind of quick, okay? So there it is right there, and I will come back, and you know, this is the problem. This is why I can't stop buying watches, because, you know, these get sent to me, and I see them, and then just, ugh. I really like this one. And I'm not into the Captain America. Alright, on we go. Alright, right off the bat here, we have a Venom on a poly, which is nice, because I've never actually seen a poly Invicta before. Again, I'm not a poly strap guy, you know, but I appreciate them, but I've heard... you know, pros and cons with the poly, but this is the master calendar version. This is actually beautiful. Some folks say they had really good luck with poly. Me, I never want to, I just like the way a bracelet looks. I never want to risk a poly though, but still beautiful. Still a beautiful watch. What do we got here? Oh man, this is torture. What is this? Oh my god, it's a Noma 5. Alright, I'm just going to have to throw this on the floor here, because not the watch. This is a Noma... What is this? This is a Jason Taylor. Looks like a Noma 5 on a poly. All black. Combat edition. I've never seen a face like this before. Again, you guys aren't really going to be able to see these too good through the plastic. Last time I unwrapped this stuff, it took me like 2 hours. So, alright, cool. What do we got here? This looks like, I think, the Coalition trigger, if I'm not mistaken here. Oh, okay, this is the Punisher Coalition trigger. Never seen this one before, pretty cool. Look forward to checking that one out, pretty cool. Oh man, this is just terrible. Alright, this one here, alright, I've seen this one before online. I forget which one this is, but it's kind of their skeleton version. I'm not sure which one this one is. We're going to find out. Pretty cool. Not bad, right? I mean, how can you go wrong with any of them, honestly? See, this is why I wish I was rich, because these are the kind of things, this is how you should shop. 20 watches, pff, no big deal. Alright, so this is pretty nice looking. This is a poly Venom watch, black and red. That's pretty cool looking. Not bad. It's just, I know. Oh, this has actually got, this is a Venom. Oh, this is a Venom second generation. This is going to be popular, guys, because this one's a really hard one to get. And the fact that it's on, this has got the Generation 2 bezel, all black. I might have to wear this one today. Alright. I know you guys are going to make fun of me, but I don't care. All right, so here we have a Grand Diver, looks like. Grand Diver with black mother pearl. See, that's the black mother pearl I'm talking about. Real subtle, real nice. This looks like a Jason Taylor. I think this is a Jason Taylor edition. Yeah, Jason Taylor edition, Grand Diver, black mother pearl. Looks like there's some diamond accents on the face as well. I look forward to cracking that one open. See, this is the problem with Invicta, because you don't even know that you want any of these watches until you actually see them and you're like, oh God, that would look really great with my outfit today. All right, I'm sorry guys, my excitement is just over the top. You've got 2 boxes in here, good Lord. All right, we're just gonna, box number 1. Oh my God, box number 2. This thing must weigh like 50 pounds. All right, let's see what else we got here, boys and girls. All right, one that I already have in my collection. I reviewed this one with you guys before. The Abalone Grand Arsenal. Beautiful watch. Do I have this one? I do have this one. Pretty sure I have this one. Looks a little different than mine though. All right, so all yellow gold Sea Hunter 3. I think that's mine. Why does this feel like, I don't know if mine has the black face on it. I'll have to check that. I'm pretty sure mine is a black face. If not, this one's pretty nice. That's pretty hot, not gonna lie. We'll just put these all out actually. I got a lot of work to do. All right, here's a Sub-Aqua Noma 3. Looks like in a black and red. This is pretty nice looking. That kind of this is a Jason Taylor as well. Not sure, we got some black and red. I'm sorry you guys, I'm trying to just kind of throw these up here real quick because I am in kind of a rush to head out here. This is pretty cool though. Actually, what is this thing? No, this is not. This is some kind of hybrid design. This looks like a combination between a Sub-Aqua Noma 3 and 4 with Noma 5, sort of a Noma 5 pusher. This must be a new model. Maybe a redesigned 3, but it's got 4 of the, I don't know what you call these on the bezel. Normally the Sub-Aquas, depending on which one you get, they either have 3, like Sub-Aqua 5 has 5, you get it. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. Oh man, this one is sick. Alright, this is, god damn it man, this is fucking mean dude. Alright, Abalone Black, I've been wanting to see this one here. All black Sea Hunter 3, rocking the Abalone face. This one, I kind of wish, you know, I picked up my iridescent version of this watch with the Abalone face, and I kind of wish I would have went with the black. I just, something about the black and Abalone, ugh, that thing is lovely. All right, on to the next here. Got another, looks like it could be a blue label. Oh, this is pretty too. Looks like a blue label. I think it's a blue label. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a blue one. It's got kind of like this smoky kind of, anyway, Magnum. It's in a kind of a blue, like a royal blue. I don't think this is the blue label, but it's in a blue, and it's got this kind of smoky, kind of overcast mother of pearl. That's a beautiful one right there. All right, we got one on a leather strap. It's kind of cool. I haven't seen one of these before. Looks like a Venom on a leather strap. Not bad. All right, there we go. Classic Venom. Rose tone and silver on a black strap. Not bad. Looking good. What do we got here? Here's a Sub-Aqua Noma 3, which I have reviewed. I have a Sub-Aqua Noma 3. This is nicer than the one I got. I went to two-tone. This one's all rose mirror polished. That is nice looking as well. See, and I don't wear mine all that much, but I feel like if I had it in this color, I would wear it more. I don't know. Just sometimes you just, you know, that was one of the first Invictas I bought. I got it for a great price, like $179. So, you know, I'm not complaining. Oh, no, they didn't. All right, mirror polished. I haven't even seen this one before. Mirror polished. Do you guys see my frustration right now? All right, so we got a mirror polished Grand Octane or Grand Arsenal Meteorite. This is the first Meteorite watch I've seen I've never actually seen one before up close. This is stunning, guys. Oh God. Got another box, folks. All right, on to the next. See what we got here. All right, I have this one. You guys have seen this one. One of my favorites, Coalition Forces Blue Label. One of my favorites. Awesome watch. This one looks like we have another. This is a poly version of the... Oh, this is the new Sandblasted series. This is kind of cool. I haven't seen... Good God, man. This is torture. It's torture. Alright, so this is your poly version in a... Looks like kind of their sandblasted. It's got kind of a decorative print on it. All like a slate gray. This is their Bolt Zeus. Not really the Magnum, but it's got the, you know, it's a redesign. It's kind of like a Magnum hybrid. One thing Invicta's doing with a lot of their watches, combining different styles. This is a good looking watch. I'm wearing that one today. Alright, what do we got here? We got another... Oh my... Oh, this one's actually... Uh-oh, we got a broken one. See, and this way it happens, guys. I could probably... Looks like just a push pin popped out. This one's pretty amazing, too. Make sure I don't lose anything here. Bear with me, folks. We're going to unwrap this puppy. Oh, this one is amazing. Alright, so we have a... Yeah, just a pin popped out. That happens sometimes. So, again, let me get this pin out of here because I don't want to lose that push pin. Oh, this one's really nice, too. Jesus Christ. So, same kind of decorative finish as the other one. It's got kind of like this sandblasted finish with... Almost looks like... It's some kind of decorative print on there. Not sure. Totally unique. This is a great looking watch. Oh, man. I'm going to set that one aside because that one I need to pop that pin back in. What do we got here? Oh, man. He said he was going to send me some of his sandblasted ones. These are, man. You know, I didn't think that this was going to be a watch I'd even be into the sandblasted, you know, but my God, this is really nice. This is kind of like a champagne color. Oh, man. All right, check that one out. That is unbelievable. It's kind of like got like a gold on that same titanium finish. Again, I've never had one of these before. I hope the finish holds up well. Definitely something I wouldn't mind having in my collection. Man, I really like this one. This one I like way more than the original Magnum watch. They've really knocked it out of the park with that one. All right, getting down there, folks. All right, here is a Coalition Forces. It's so funny. I was just talking to a guy on my YouTube channel the other day about how Swole watches copied the Invicta. And really, they've taken the infantry watch, in my opinion, made it a little better, added some things to it, but it's still a $17 watch. If you guys are in the market for a Swole watch and you like that look, check out this, the Coalition Forces. There's no reason to go to a Swole watch over an Invicta. The quality of this watch compared to a Swole, it's night and day, like totally noticeable. All right, that's interesting looking. What we got here? All right, we have a, looks like a sub-aqua of some sort. It's an automatic. That's cool. Looks like it's all done in the kind of a combat finish here. Kind of straightforward, not bad. Not bad. If you like the dragon thing, pretty cool. Automatic, can't go wrong there. All right, 2 more to go, guys. This looks like another. Oh, man. Okay, this is a blue sandblasted. He sent a lot of these. Zeus Bolt with the thick cabling. I don't know if you can see that. Again, I'll review these. You guys will see these up close in the next couple weeks. And the final watch in here. All right, another one of these cabled Zeus bolts. These are, this one didn't even like really catch my eye until I actually seen it up close. Check that out. The sandblasting's almost got like a, this has got like almost like a silver flake in it. Really unique. All right, guys, so that was my, how many watches do we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 watches he sent me. No, 22, I don't even know. All right, guys, that's it. I'm closing out. Stay tuned. That's my unboxing of my Invicta haul. 20 Invicta watches, if not more. You guys will see me review these over the next 20 or so days. Every day you'll have one all the way up until Christmas. I got more Aragons coming, and I got more of the Diamond Edition Invictas coming. I'm working another deal with a company, and stay tuned. I'm almost got a deal going with another company. A gentleman who owns 3 different brands. It's not Invicta, and it is just up there. It's off the charts, sick. I can't wait to share with you guys. Stay tuned for more. If you like the channel, now's your time to subscribe. You're gonna be seeing a lot more watches, and not just up till Christmas. I mean, permanently. This is gonna keep going on, guys. So have a wonderful day, folks. Subscribe to the channel. There's not gonna really be any links other than to the Invicta store. If you saw one you really like, click it. And as always, guys, have a great day.